Welcome back. In this video, we will build a simple semantic search using Hugging Face and JavaScript. Semantic search means searching by meaning, not by exact words. We already learned about embeddings and cosine similarity. Now we will put everything together. Let's start by importing what we need. We load .env to access environment variables. We import cosine similarity to compare vectors. And we import feature extraction from Hugging Face Inference. Next, we define the model. We are using a large embedding model called Qwen3 Embedding 8b. This model converts text into high-quality embeddings, which means better understanding of meaning. Now we define our data. This is our small dataset. These are the items we want to search through. Next, we define the search query. Electrical subpanel with 24 ways. Notice something important. The query does not exactly match any asset text. This is where semantic search becomes useful. Now we generate an embedding for the query. This converts the query text into a vector of numbers. After that, we prepare an empty result array. This will store each asset and its similarity score. Now we loop through every asset. For each asset, we generate its embedding using the same model. This is very important. All embeddings must come from the same model, or the comparison will not be valid. Next, we calculate cosine similarity. We compare the query embedding with the asset embedding. This gives us a similarity score. A higher score means closer meaning. We store the asset and its score together. After processing all assets, we sort the results in descending order. This means the most relevant result comes first. Finally, we log the results. When you run this code, you will see that Elytra sub panel 24 line appears at the top. Even though the words are different, the model understands that the meanings match. This is semantic search. No keywords, no rules, just meaning. In the next video, we will use the translation feature of the Hugging Face Inference package and translate text between languages using JavaScript. See you in the next video.